Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you the starter, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. So if your Expedition is not starting and you believe you have starter issues, before replacing the starter, make sure to actually check the fuse and the relay, because quite often that is the problem. Both the fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to remove this cover you'll have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So what you want to do, just want to press onto each of the tabs to unlock it and then leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. The starter fuse is a 30 amp fuse located right here, and it's actually responsible for power to the starter relay, and the relay is located just above it right here. And the best way to test this relay is just try to replace it with one of the same relays next to it and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. They're around $10 and have it replaced. So once again, this is the starter fuse and this is the starter relay. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.